Ethan was driving his Tesla Model Y in Barrington when a police chase came barreling toward him. Suddenly, an oncoming vehicle lost traction before sliding sideways and slamming into the side of Ethan's Tesla. The driver fled the scene, but police were hot on his tail and quickly apprehended him. Ethan filed an insurance claim, and his Model Y was declared a total loss. He told us he'd expected the oncoming driver to complete their turn and had started turning right, but when he turned left instead, this reduced the severity of the impact. Next up is this footage from Jonathan's Model Y, which captured a very strange event as it unfolded in front of him. As he prepared to leave a parking lot, a gray SUV began swerving dangerously all over the road. Suddenly, the SUV veered into oncoming traffic before running into a passing Honda and clipping a vehicle parked on the street. The impact sent the Honda spinning out of control before it slammed into several parked motorcycles. Jonathan told us the SUV driver then fled the scene. Mary was driving her Model Y down a highway in rush hour traffic when a terrifying chain of events unfolded in front of her. Another driver rear-ended 3 other vehicles without slowing down, then crossed 3 lanes to the left before turning back to the right, going off the road, then launching off an embankment into the woods. Incredibly, there were no serious injuries reported. Mary told us she deeply appreciates her husband Gaines for keeping their family safe by buying a Tesla. This subscriber was slowing down for an intersection ahead when a white Hyundai behind them began sliding before swerving into the other lane to avoid a rear-end collision. That maneuver placed the Hyundai in the path of a gray Nissan, and when the Nissan driver swerved, they slid across ice before smashing into a fire hydrant. The Nissan came within inches of an SUV about to exit a parking lot, and the fire hydrant actually prevented the collision from being even worse. Thankfully, everyone involved was able to walk away unhurt, except for the fire hydrant, of course. This Australian subscriber was driving their Tesla Model 3 when one reckless maneuver ruined the day for everyone. As they drove down a road with the right-of-way, the driver of a green Holden suddenly pulled in front of them, failing to yield. When our subscriber's automatic emergency braking activated to avoid a collision, the driver behind them rear-ended their Tesla in spite of their own attempt to brake. The driver of the green Holden then left the scene, which is illegal since their actions caused the collision. Sadly, our subscriber's Teslacam didn't capture the Holden's license plate number. Javier was waiting at a Fairfax traffic light. When he heard tires screeching, he looked in his rearview mirror and saw a vehicle about to rear-end his Tesla Model Y. Javier quickly accelerated and swerved into another lane to avoid being hit. Javier told us the distracted driver of a pickup truck rear-ended a Prius with enough force to push it onto the traffic island. It then continued forward, rear-ending the SUV that had been behind Javier. The Prius missed Javier's Tesla by millimeters after being shoved forward. In total, the collision involved 5 vehicles, and the entire parkway was shut down as a result. This subscriber was merging left in their Model 3, a legal maneuver that clearly upset the driver behind them. In an act of retaliation, they pulled onto the shoulder right before traffic came to a complete stop. The standstill gave the angry driver time to approach our subscriber's window before reaching in and punching them in the face. The attacker then got back in his car and tried to leave, and when our subscriber tried to block his escape, he assaulted him again, bloodying his face. Our subscriber called the police to report the assault, and they told him the car was registered to a woman who was actually a passenger in the car at the time. When the police located the car and confronted the registered owner, she refused to answer any questions or cooperate in any way. 3 months later, the police haven't identified the driver and the case has stalled. No matter how you feel about the zipper merge, punching someone is not the way to handle your frustration. If you know who this kind gentleman is, send us a message and we'll make sure the information is delivered to the authorities. Ryan was driving his Model 3 in New Zealand on his way home after a long shift. He was tired and ready to be home when something jolted him wide awake. An oncoming driver suddenly turned across his lane. Ryan slammed on the brakes while swerving, and when his anti-lock brakes activated, he wasn't sure if his Tesla had been hit. Thankfully, his quick reaction had turned this situation into nothing more than an extremely close call. Good save, Ryan. Dawn sent this footage of a confusing collision that happened in a Virginia intersection. One driver making a right turn had the right-of-way, but another driver didn't realize that oncoming traffic didn't have a stop sign. In reality, only 3 of the directions had stop signs at this intersection: traffic from Dawn's direction, his left, and his right. The driver who'd been hit never even saw the other vehicle coming thanks to their view being obstructed by another vehicle on their left. Thankfully, it doesn't appear that anyone was injured in the collision. John had just finished a 12-hour shift in 100-degree heat and was sitting in traffic when he suddenly felt his Tesla get bumped from behind. When he looked in his rearview mirror, he saw a biker walking his bike backward. John told us the rider was apologetic, but he still took a photo of the bike's license plate just in case he discovered any damage later. Thankfully, even after washing the area off, he couldn't find so much as a scratch. Andre was cruising down the road in his Tesla Model 3 with full self-driving version 14 engaged when the driver of a Ford F-250 ran a red light and nearly T-boned him. Andre told us he didn't even notice the pickup before FSD saved him from what would have been a major collision. We're glad FSD had your back, Andre. Joe and his wife were on their way to visit family for Christmas when Joe's wife, who was driving their Tesla at the time, spotted a driver coming down an on-ramp the wrong way. The wrong-way driver forced a pickup truck off the road before nearly colliding head-on with another SUV. Joe and his wife called the police, and it took 2 attempts to get through. Evidently, the dispatch center was being flooded with calls, and an operator had accidentally hung up on them. CJ was driving his Cybertruck when, all of a sudden, a massive group of tumbleweeds rolled across the highway in front of him. Full self-driving spotted them in the distance and smoothly changed lanes to avoid them. As a result, CJ told us he couldn't find anything more than some light scratches on the plastic bumper cover. Daniel was taking his daughter to gymnastics practice in his Model X when a vehicle in the left lane failed to follow the curve of the road, drifting into the side of Daniel's Tesla instead. After the collision, the other driver didn't stop driving. Daniel flashed his high beam several times until the other driver started slowing down. Then he pulled up next to them and motioned for them to pull over, which they eventually did. The other driver admitted fault and exchanged insurance information with Daniel. He's now waiting to hear back from an insurance adjuster so he can get his Model X repaired. This subscriber was driving their Tesla Model Y when a black Mercedes suddenly turned directly in front of them. Another Mercedes on our subscriber's right prevented them from using the other lane to swerve, so they were forced to use the oncoming lanes to avoid a collision. The driver of the black Mercedes then stopped in the middle of the intersection, blocking all traffic until other drivers started honking at them. As Danny approached a green light in Las Vegas, his Model Y's braking suddenly activated. Another driver had run their red light, but full self-driving had spared Danny from a collision. Chris was leaving a parking lot in his Model 3, and as he started backing up, he noticed a Subaru driver parking nearby. Suddenly, the Subaru collided with a Ram pickup before backing up and scraping against it again, severely damaging both vehicles. Chris told us the Subaru driver then parked and walked into the store as if nothing had happened. Estelle had just picked up a loaner Model 3 Performance from Tesla after taking her Model 3 Long Range in for service. While she was parked and eating taco truck tacos, a Nissan Altima rolled into the parking lot ahead of her before slowly crashing into a building. Okay, that wasn't too bad, as long as they don't run into anything else. Oh. After backing into a pole and a donation box, the Altima driver fled the scene. Estelle reported the incident to 911 and told the operator the direction the car had left in, but she doesn't know if police ever caught up with them. Cal was picking up family and had just gotten everyone into his Model Y when the car was suddenly bumped from behind. There's a confirmed Honda bump, and in a parking lot no less. Fixing the damage to Cal's Tesla ended up costing $1,400 US. David had just left work in his Tesla Model 3 and was about to make a left turn when his light turned yellow. He rushed to clear the intersection, but in his haste, he accidentally turned into the oncoming lane. He quickly moved back into the correct lane, and thankfully, this little accident didn't result in a collision. For more crazy Teslacam moments, be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you with another video next weekend. Here are some other episodes to watch if you can't wait until then. Enjoy!